Hi, I'm Sean McDade, author of the Amazon bestseller Listen or Die, 40 Lessons to Turn Customer Feedback into Gold. Today we're talking about Lesson 4. Text analytics is more than a VoC feature. It's an absolute must-have. When you're collecting feedback from customers, some of it will be structured, meaning they're answering a question on some sort of scale, say 0 to 10, like an NPS question. They're answering 7, 8. It's often easy to understand what customers mean by those results. They come in graphs, charts, easy to understand information. But what about when you ask them why? Why was their experience so? And they're typing in their own unstructured or open-ended feedback. How do you know what that means? How do you know how to understand it at scale so you don't have to read through every comment? And some of you have big businesses where you're getting thousands, tens of thousands, or maybe millions of open-ended responses a day, year, or month. One way is, the traditional way, is have a human being take a look at those open-ended comments, assign a code to them, put that in a spreadsheet, and then create charts and graphs based on that. That's an old school way. It's pretty accurate, but it's very time-consuming. It's not real-time. And it leads itself to human biases. Does one person think that comment is the same as another person in terms of its code? Often not. What we have today is, in modern VoC platforms, is something called text analytics. That's basically a machine learning product algorithm that makes sense of unstructured, open-ended feedback in real time at scale and identifies the sentiment, meaning positive or negative, of each comment that a customer makes, as well as basically what it's about. So you know, or can know in real time, what are the major new things customers are talking about? Were they positive or negative? And take action on them before you could ever even know what they were talking about if you had a bunch of people looking at these items as open-ends. So my questions for you today are, do you have a lot of unstructured feedback within your VoC program? Are you using text analytics to understand in real time what the sentiment is of your customers and what are those key issues, especially the negative ones, that if you fix them, the experience will improve? Leave a comment and let me know. And if you like this lesson, you're going to love the rest of the book. Be sure to click on the link below and get your very own copy. And make sure you follow PeopleMetrics on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. And subscribe to our award-winning blog, where we share industry best practices for CX professionals. Thank you, and see you next time.